Good morning, guys. This is about this is around 5:45 a.m. in the morning, and you're welcome to Prudy's Vlogs. We're gonna make breakfast for my kids, and I'll take them to school, and we'll come back for the lunch and a little bit of errands around the house. So for breakfast is croissant, yogurt, and fruits. And the fruits could be some grapes, apples. I don't know if I have bananas, but maybe bananas too. Okay, let's go. Normally the school doesn't really want us to give them these things, but I do sometimes when I don't have time, and sometimes I make something healthy. They said we should make things healthy, so I do that sometimes. And sometimes I just don't. Okay, as for my youngest daughter, I'll open it up. Yeah, so that's it, and I'm gonna scoop it into this little cute jars. And put a teaspoon each for the yogurt, for each of them. I think maybe I'm even good, so I'm gonna put like half of it for each person, not the whole thing. Yeah, you see, I hope you guys can see there. Put like half of the apple, half of the berries for each person, then I'll just untie that and put, and that's ready. Okay, this is for my first daughter. She can finish one apple, so I'm gonna give her the whole thing, right? So their breakfast is ready. Now I'm gonna make a cup of milk each for a cup of milk for each of them, and they're already awake and they're dressing up for school. The kids are in school now. I'm gonna offload the dishwasher, load the washing machine, and make lunch. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna make lunch, and for lunch we're having today is gonna be spaghetti with ham and cream with, yeah, spaghetti, cream, ham, and then for the side we're gonna have some tomato salad. Okay, so let's go. So I'm just gonna boil the pasta, and while the pasta is boiling, yeah, I'm gonna boil the, no, I'm not gonna use spaghetti. I'm gonna use the penne, the pasta, right? So while the pasta is cooking, I'm gonna make the sauce, the cream sauce right here with ham. Yeah. And right here I have some leftover, hold on, right here I have some leftover ham. So here you go, look, so they've been sitting in the fridge for a bit, for a while. They're already open. Look, that one is already open, this one is already open. Yeah, so they're open. So I'm just gonna slice them up and fry them a bit, and cream, a bit of spring onions and a bit of spices, and that's the sauce. And then the spaghetti in it, and then a bit of tomato salad with just tomato, onion, oregano, salt and pepper, and olive oil, maybe a little bit of aceto balsamico, and that's going to be lunch. Normally, this recipe, you should, you could make it with bacon, right? But because I have all these sitting in the fridge, I just want to use it up. So I'm going to use it instead of bacon, right? And it tastes good. It tastes good too. You could use bacon, you could use ham, you could actually use anything of your choice. This is creamy pasta. It doesn't have to be limited to only bacon, right? Yeah. Okay, here we go. So that's it. Chopped it all up. That's the pasta I'm gonna use. It's, hope you can see. Yeah, penne regatta. This pasta. You can actually use any pasta of your choice, but I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna cook the whole pack. Okay, so it's 500 grams. It's a 500 gram pack, so I'm gonna use the whole thing. So while that is cooking, we're gonna make some what is it called, tomato salad with these tomatoes here. This one is not cooking because I switched off a bit to give my baby food. So now I've finished feeding her, and I'm back to cooking. So as you can see, this one is boiled here too because I switched off everything. Okay. So, and this, we're going to keep it simple, you know, just salt and pepper and Parmesan cheese. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Oh, that's a bit more than a little bit, but it's good. And then I'll salt the water too for the pasta. Be generous with it. And yeah, this one I can salt too. This one needs a little bit of salt and a bit of pepper. And that's it. So, water is boiling now. Balsamic vinegar. Switch off. Don't need the heat anymore. So I switched off completely, even though it's still boiling. So I'm gonna add a generous amount of Parmesan cheese, and then stir it, and it's done. It's done. Yeah, I'm gonna garnish it with some spring onion. Right. Look at that. So that's our lunch for today. Look at that. Everything. It's so good. It's creamy. It's delicious. And look at that. To go with it. So there you go. There you go. My kids will be back any minute from now. We're gonna have lunch, and let's see. So guys, I'm gonna bring out the clothes from the washing machine and put them in the dryer, and I'll end this up there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.